Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be fixing kielbasa sausage cheesy potatoes casserole. What all goes into the kielbasa sausage cheesy potato casserole? This is almost 1 pound of kielbasa sausage sliced, 4 large potatoes peeled and thinly sliced, 1 onion thinly sliced, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. I have the Mexican cheddar jack. 1 can, 10.75 ounces cream of mushroom soup. 1/2 cup milk. 1/4 cup butter, melted. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/2 cup breadcrumbs. And fresh parsley for garnish. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take a 9x13 pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. So take half of the potato slices and put them on the bottom of the prepared pan. I've got a lot of potatoes. I actually did 5 potatoes instead of 4 because they were medium-sized potatoes. So I'll do 2 layers. And then put half of the kielbasa on top of the potatoes. Then put half of the onion slices on top of the kielbasa. And the onions was fighting me when I was trying to slice them. They're not in rings, very many of them's not in rings. So I'm just making do. And I'm just taking some of them out of there because I don't have enough to do my second layer. And then put in half of the cheese. And then repeat the layers. Layer of potatoes. And again, I'll do 2 layers of the potatoes. And the rest of the kielbasa. And I'm going to have more on this layer just because I didn't count them out or anything. And the rest of the onions. And then put the rest of the cheese on top. Take a bowl, mix the cream of mushroom soup, the 1/2 cup of milk, the 1/4 cup of melted butter, the 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and mix that until thoroughly combined. Then take your mix that you just made and pour it on top of the kielbasa bake. And try to spread it out the best you can. Put foil on the top. And stick it in a preheated 375-degree oven for 1 hour. So after an hour, remove the foil and take your 1 cup of breadcrumbs and sprinkle it on top. And then put it back in the 375-degree oven for 15 more minutes or until top is golden and crispy. So here is the kielbasa sausage cheesy potato casserole, and rounding out the meal is a butter croissant. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This is pretty tasty.
Kielbasa sausage, cheesy potato casserole.
I like that crunch.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.